Okay, so I said to Clive, the only reason I come round here is because he keeps me entertained. So we come round for the laugh. Yeah. The laugh tonight is this terrible little thing, which is the heat, the water sensor.
And oil.
Water and oil.
Yes, both.
Okay. Anyway.
It's the gauge.
No, this isn't the gauge. No. This is the business end.
If you yank that, you'll be on the gauge, mate.
Yeah. So, Clive, in his infinite wisdom, managed to break this end, as you can see. I'll hold it against the white bodywork, and then maybe you can see it.
At the end of the day, that ain't gonna happen, is it? Just ain't gonna happen. Oh, bumsters.
Obviously, it's supposed to have a sensor on there. The problem is,
It's a freaking clue how to take the old one out. And you need extremely long arms and 3 fingers. Now, luckily, I know a very good crab fisherman who's recently retired who has got fish fingers and crab sticks. And I think he just might be the man. Over to you, Kevin.
He's talking about me.
It's a joke.
It's a joke.
Yeah.
I was recently offered a job as a crab fisherman in Norfolk by a very drunk young man. Clive finds this highly amusing.
I do.
So, anyway.
I got a message from Kevin. I said to Kevin, do you want to come and work on the car? He said, no, I've just got a job. I've just been offered a job as a full-time crab fisherman in Norfolk. I mean, how are you supposed to respond to that?
Yeah.
You know.
Right. Anyway, so I presume you've got the gauge in there, have you?
I have. I was just going to show our followers, all one of you.
That's what the business end should look like. So this is the top, as you can see, but this is the bit that's broken.
And that has got to go in the hole there.
Which is easy enough to do at this end. Of course, the so-and-so is getting the gauge out. So we're going to have a fiddle around and we'll keep you posted.
You bugger.
So this is Clive trying to discover how the heck we're going to get to the back of this gauge, which, if you look at it on the inside of the car, as you can see, it's where Clive's got his finger, which is right in the middle of the dashboard. And of course, underneath it is, oops, get the camera going the right way, is the centre console, which impedes everything.
And that's got a metal bracket behind it.
Yeah, we know that's got a metal plate behind it.
Yeah.
Right. Clive's taking his overalls off because it's a mild night, and as I just said to him, we're actually working in the car, so we're not doing anything dirty.
To which I said, bloody well, I think so too. You've got a dirty mind.
Yeah. So anyway, let's have a look. So what we think we're going to have to do is take the centre console out. That's the armrest, as you can see it. Maybe shunt that back a bit, and then hopefully we can get the rest out, and we'll keep you posted.
My arm up and round. Right, so I think we've sussed out how to take this gauge out. You can just about touch it by putting your hand up underneath here, but you can't really do much. And I can just about touch it by putting my hand up through here, but you can't do much. I can't get at it by putting my hand through here because there's a metal plate, so there's no advantage taken off the centre console as we originally planned. So we've just had a look at it, and we thought if these vents come out, which we can take them out by pushing them down, unclipping them. Oh, by the way, got to take the hoses off the back.
Yep. Which we
like so
previously done earlier, actually. But we just quickly reassembled it so you can see.
There's the other one. So there we are.
And now
we got them out.
You've got a nice big hole.
Which you can get your hand in.
Which you get your hand in to get this thing.
Yeah.
So
I'm trying to.
Right. so you can see what the back of the, obviously this is out the new one, so the back, as you can see here, has got a couple of little thumb screws. So you don't actually need a socket or a spanner. Just need reasonable grip on the little thumb screw to undo this bracket, which is on the new one, of course, is loose.
Just to give you a view of what it's like up in there, look. That thing there is the gauge, and there's, you can just see the thread where the thumb nut come off. So now I've got to take off, it looks like an oil feed, small oil feed pipe, a couple of electrical connections, and that bracket, that horseshoe bracket. So wish me luck, I'm diving in. I don't think the gauge is loose yet, Kev.
Oh, because I'm undoing the speedo.
You're undoing the speedo, Kev?
Yeah.
Oh. Shall we leave the speedo in, or shall we take it out?
Maybe a good idea to leave the speedo.
We'll leave the speedo in.
Right,
that's the one.
That's the one.
What I'm saying is, where your finger is now, I can see.
I can feel the.
Yeah, but if there's a oil feed pipe there.
Where?
That one. And if you give us a spanner, I think it's about 7/16 maybe. I'll undo that, and that will give us loads more room.
Okay.
Okay.
17. What have we got in there? See if we've got anything.
Yeah, what's been open-ended?
No, that's all too big. Hang on, I've got to extract myself.
I'll just leave your hand in there and come back
wander around the front of the car.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I know I've got long arms, Clive.
Yeah.
There is a limit.
Crab hands, you know. It's a well-known asset if you're a crab fisherman.
Yeah. Okay, so we're undoing the oil feed.
Oil feed, the gauge, which is 1/2 inch, 13mm. Luckily it wasn't very tight because it's a right pig to get a spanner on it, but obviously it was sufficient not to leak. So if it comes off there, any aggro. Well,
enjoy.
I've got the nut out.
You got the nut off, I can see that on the camera.
But okay, something odd going on because I can't get it. There you go.
She goes.
She's out. Of course, she's well stuck on there. Yeah. I think I might put some of that silicone grease on it when put it back on. You know, just a little dibble.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay, so now got to get the other nut off, which is
little thumb screws.
I think she's moving. I hope it's moving because it's like all my fingers are breaking. I'm not sure which. Let's put that down, Ken. Okay. No, it's not moving over, is it? Stuck.
No, it's not shifting it as you'd expect.
Have another go.
Let's see what a wriggle it is.
It is. Okay. Right, we found the answer. In the box with the new gauge, which we didn't realise at the time, there is a hand extension which clips on a bit like a socket set, and we put it onto the end of Kev's fingers. As you can see, they're now 3 inches longer, and he's managing to undo the far
but you didn't tell the salient bit of information in as much as you bent the horseshoe bracket to give to release it.
I was coming to that. Give me a chance. Yeah, there it is there. Look, there's the bent bracket, which has relieved the pressure on the back of the gauge, which has also relieved the pressure on the Kev's fingers, and so he's just managed to untwiggle it now. Apparently he's very good at twiggling.
I might...
No, he's got it. He's a star. The gauges are being removed.
Oh. The washer's dropped off, but apart from that, I think
we're not worried about the washer, Kev. No. And there's the bracket. And it looked like there might have been an earth cable or something like I've just seen.
Yeah, there might have been something.
Yeah, it's an earth cable, so we mustn't forget the earth cable. I don't think you can see that in there.
Can I fish it off at the back? Again?
No, it's off. There you go.
Okay.
We have lift off. So that's the cable which Clive snapped off when he took it off.
Right, if I feed this...
Yep.
Well, it's not a Bowden cable.
No, the sensor cable. We need to make sure we know the route of it, Kev, don't we?
Well, there's plenty of slack.
Now loose. Hopefully, get your pinky in there.
Okay, so what we found is that the wire, we've just clipped it off, goes down. This is the cable, and on the back, this wire is held in place with a. This wire is held in place with a P-clip.
That's short for a pig clip.
Yeah. So the bit that we just cut this off because it's defunct anyway. So a great big piece of.
You need a long screwdriver to get in the back of that bulkhead, I'll tell you. As it goes.
So this is the screw or bolt that Clive's just removed from inside, holding a P-clip on.
So,
oops. What?
Well, I'm just sort of tell you that just to make life really awkward, I'll show you. Not a lot of room in there to get this oil feed sensor cable out, mate, because some idiot has put an easy steer electronic ignition in it, electronic steering in it. Look, power steering.
That's the cable.
Now, why would someone do that?
That was you.
Oh, yeah, I did that. And it's a good thing too. Don't listen to anybody who says don't put easy steer on, because I'll tell you what, they are brilliant. Don't care what you think. Please make all your comments below, and I look forward to answering them all. Ba-boom. Okay, so we're going to snake it through. What we've done, if I can get the camera on it, when it decides to do what it's told, is, there we go. We've connected the new end of the new cable. I've cut off the gauge and we've taped it to the old cable or sensor, whatever you like to call it, because when it goes down in that dashboard, it goes down around and God knows where, and it's a bit of a pig, so I'm hoping I can gently ease that through with Kev. With Kev on the outside, gently pulling it as I feed it through. Right.
Okay.
Gently.
Yeah, you push it more than I want to pull it.
Yeah.
Here she comes.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Oh, there she goes. Yeah. You want to get that bit through there. It's stuck. It's stuck on the big barometer things.